Hello, welcome. Thanks for flying in. I'm Phil Eggers with Super Duty Fans. It's a Saturday morning here in our North Texas facility where we make and distribute the Super Duty fans. We were like you a few years ago. We were out there on the internet trying to find the perfect fan for our big buildings, and we couldn't find one that worked for us. So we built it. We put together a plan to come up with an industrial fan that would do three basic things very well. Number one, it had to be affordable. We had to be able to buy the thing without breaking the bank. Number two, it had to be easy to install. We didn't want to spend a lot of money to install them. And number three, and most importantly, they had to be safe. Moving air takes heavy equipment, but it had to be safe. And so we've guarded them and shrouded them so all of our fans are safe. They're available in three different sizes. We have a 5-footer, which is our biggest one. We have a 4-footer, and we have a 3-footer. As a ceiling fan, they hang from straps that we provide with them. And you can vary the length of the strap to get the angle that you want to move the air where you want it to go, whether it's a flat fan or you hang it at any angle to blow the air in the direction that you need it. These ceiling fans are incredible. The big 5-footer will do 60-foot diameter of feeling the air movement. It's a big area. They're available as a floor fan as well. And the 3- and 4-foot fans are able to be pivoted up and down to get the air where you need it to go. The 5-footer, it comes with either a red blade or a stainless steel blade. The red blade throws a skinny column of air up over 100 feet. The stainless steel blade will give you that same funnel-shaped airflow to cover about a 60-foot diameter. So depending on what you're trying to cover, we have a fan that will help you do that. You even have a wall mount, so you can hang them on a wall somewhere. But we're real proud of these fans. They were doing a great job for everybody. They're affordable, they're easy to install, and they're safe. Take some time, look at our website, give us a call, let us know how we can help you. We think we've got a great fan and the market's telling us we do. We hope to have you as one of our customers. Thank you very much. Have a great day.